Hi, it's Marek from Banana Panda. Let me ask you something. What can a 1-year-old do? They can move around independently, taking their first steps, crawling, or walking while holding on to furniture for support. Their ability to manipulate objects is improving. They can take them out and put them into containers or place one inside the other. Your child can point to things that catch their interest. They're interested in shapes and colors and copy how you use them. They happily play with blocks and simple jigsaw puzzles. They also imitate animal sounds and simple words, but they understand much more. They can express emotions, happiness, fear, or anger, especially when something is taken away from them or they struggle to do something. Your child is curious to discover more about the world in company of loved ones. Tokens are the perfect shape for small hands. Your child can easily grasp them with their whole hands or between their thumbs and index finger. Adding more elements is a great way to exercise hand-eye coordination. The tokens are all completely interchangeable between boards. Remember these simple tips during play to ensure you and your child have an educational adventure. Pay attention to whether your child is listening to you and looking at what you're trying to show them. Speak slowly and clearly and use your index finger to point to things. All Banana Panda puzzles are made from safe and certified materials. During play, be present with your child and ensure they don't put any pieces in their mouth. Play is supposed to be fun above all else. If your child is tired or discouraged, try again another day. Alright, it's time for some fun. Prepare 3 or 4 boards and show your child the animals. Name them. Ensure your child follows what you're doing with their eyes and looks at the right images. Gradually, increase the number of elements. Show your child that the images on the boards and tokens are the same. Describe what you see in the pictures. Look, this is a cat. Where are the cat's eyes? This game is good for developing the ability to copy others and observation, as well as share fields of concentration. Our next game develops grip and manipulation of objects, matching objects, and tracking actions with the eyes. Give your child the board and show them how to pop out the token. Children love doing this. Demonstrate how to fit the tokens into the right spaces. Encourage your child to match the pieces independently. Initially, it's enough for your child to simply put the tokens in place. This is no easy task for them. When learning how to put the pieces in the right place, they might not pay attention whether the picture on the token matches the board or is upside down. These details will only be important later. As a final game, let's play rhymes. Children love rhymes. Pick up the board and token, recite a short rhyme, and encourage your child to repeat onomatopoeic words. Make up your own rhymes or use one of our suggestions. The dog is soft and likes to bark. He goes woof woof when we're at the park. Rabbits hardly ever stop. All day long they hop, hop, hop. After a few turns, stop before you say the onomatopoeic word. Encourage your child to finish the rhyme. Older children can repeat the entire rhyme. This game helps your kid get better at listening and remembering what you hear. That's all, folks. We're excited to be on this adventure with you as you raise your little one. Take it easy and let's cherish every moment. See you next time.